Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate Rajhi Payroll ATM card online. So the first step that you have to do is to log into Rajhi mobile application and navigate to the cards section from the main menu or the bottom navigation. So from there, you will see all linked cards listed, including your payroll ATM card showing an inactive status in red. Next is tap on your payroll ATM card from the list to view its details. So once you tap on it, you will see the card image with a chip marked card number, expiry date, and the current status as inactive. So available options include activate card, block card, change PIN, or view transactions. Next is on the card details screen, tap on the Activate Card or Activate Now button. So the application will display your payroll card image along with instructions in explaining the activation process. So what you're going to do is review the information and tap on the green Activate Now button to proceed, just like this one right here. Next step is Rajhi Bank will send a one-time OTP code or OTP to your registered mobile number. So you just have to enter the 6-digit OTP code in the inbox provided, and then you will have a limited time, which is shown by countdown timer. So just tap on the verify to complete the authentication. Lastly is your Rajhi Payroll ATM is now activated and is ready to use. So you can use it as at ATMs, POS machines, and for online purchases. So your employer's payroll salary will now be credited directly to this account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!